Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope you all are fine, and I'm also fine. Basically, after a long time, I'm here for making video with my making video in English, in my own language, and tonight I want to say about 100-day challenge, 100-day challenge topic. And I got I knew about the topic from first I knew about the topic from the website of Search English Group, and you also will find will be able to find from there if you search the website of Search English Group. And Rajiv Ahmed sir written about 100-day challenge post, and a few days ago Rajiv Ahmed sir has written about written in a digital skills group about 100-day challenge post that if you have finished reading syllabus journey, or if you think that reading syllabus is a very long-term journey for you, and you don't have sufficient time to maintain you don't have sufficient time for it for reading syllabus journey, then you can follow the guideline of 100-day challenge. And if you don't have sufficient time, then it's not mandatory to write about the 100-day challenge journey. The mandatory things, if you are interested about it, the mandatory things is you should read, and you should try to fulfill the challenge for each day. And suppose there is 100 there are a lot of topic, and there are a lot of no, it's not lot of, there are some topic, and you have to read those topic. And you suppose I have taken the challenge of 100 days, but every day I fulfill the challenge. And suppose today is my third day of 100-day challenge journey, and I fulfill my homework that was given in topic. And sir has written in day 0 post that yes, today is November 15th, 2018. We are going to start our 100-day journey from tomorrow, 16th November. So be with us. I will basically give a homework, and you can do it in your own pitch and time. You do not need to worry about finishing it within a fixed deadline. Of course, I would love that some of you try to finish a homework within the next 24 hours. We will mostly read a lot and sometimes write some posts and comments. It's mostly for Bengali learners. So the 100-day guideline will contain significantly large amount of text in Bangla language. If it goes successful, then we will start an English language version of the program. It means that you will find both Bangla and English language. And if you when you will be able to at the first stage, if you are able to make yourself ready to read English post, then you will find the English posts as homework in 100-day journey. So let's start. And it's not difficult, it's really easy, and you don't it's not mandatory to read with sound. You can read silently. And so thank you so much. Good night. I will start my day 4 journey. So Allah Hafiz.